4 easy poses to calm your mind, your heart, and relax your body. Put on your yoga clothes, grab your yoga mat, and let's get started. Let's talk about yoga poses. 4 poses, not difficult poses. Easy poses you can do at home. First pose is tree pose. Tree pose. Stand up straight. Put one foot on the floor. Lift your other foot and put it on your leg. Your foot must be above or below your knee. Put your arms together and put your arms above your head. Look at one spot in front of you. Hold still. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax and put your foot on the floor. Second position is cat-cow pose. Cat, cow. Cat-cow pose. Get on your hands and knees. This is the hands and knees position. Hands and knees. Think of this position like a baby crawling. Now, slowly round your back. Round your back like a cat. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do the cow pose. So you're going to slowly lift your head, lift your chest, and arch your back. Ready? Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Really good. Good job. Cat pose. Cow pose. Cat-cow pose. The third pose is child pose. Child pose. Sit down on the mat. Sit on your knees. Lean forward and straighten your arms in front of your body. Put your forehead on the floor. Forehead on the floor. Stretch your arms forward. Stretch your arms. Hold still. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Fourth pose is Cobra Pose. Cobra Pose. Lay down on the mat. Lay down. Bend your arms. Bend your arms. Keep your lower body on the floor and straighten your arms. Chest up and look up. Hold this position. Breathe in, out. Hold still. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now slowly put your chest on the floor. Put your arms down to your sides and relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Lie down. Arms to your side. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in. Breathe out. Well done. We learned 4 easy yoga poses you can do at home. The first pose is tree pose. Second pose is cat-cow pose. Third pose is child pose. And the fourth pose is Cobra Pose. See you soon. Bye.